Lagos, known as the economic nerve center of Nigeria, has long been regarded as the largest city in Africa. Its colossal population, bustling urban landscape, and economic significance have solidified its position as a metropolitan giant on the continent. This video aims to explore the question of whether Lagos truly deserves its title as the largest city in Africa, taking into account its demographics, economic prowess, and urban sprawl. Lagos, with an estimated population of over 21 million people, boasts an immensely diverse populace. It is a melting pot of various ethnicities, cultures, and religions, contributing to its vibrant and cosmopolitan atmosphere. The city's overwhelming population gives it a clear advantage over its African counterparts in terms of size. In comparison, Cairo, Egypt's capital, is often cited as a major contender for the title of the largest city in Africa. However, Lagos surpasses Cairo's population by a significant margin, reinforcing its claim to the top spot. Furthermore, Lagos serves as the economic hub of Nigeria and plays a major role in Africa's overall economic landscape. The city serves as Nigeria's main financial center, accommodating numerous banking institutions, multinational corporations, and thriving business districts. Its economic significance is further augmented by its vital port, which facilitates extensive trade activities with various nations. Lagos' economic prowess undoubtedly contributes to its status as Africa's largest city, as the economic density and opportunities it offers attract a significant influx of people from within and outside Nigeria. In addition to its burgeoning population and economic importance, Lagos' urban sprawl and geographical extent solidify its position as Africa's largest city. It spans over 1,171 square kilometers, encompassing a vast expanse of land dotted with residential areas, commercial districts, and industrial zones. Its rapid expansion is evident as Lagos continues to extend its reach by developing new neighborhoods and accommodating its growing population. The city's physical size further sets it apart from its African counterparts, strengthening its claim to the title of the largest city in Africa. However, it is essential to note that the dynamics of urban growth and population patterns can change over time. While Lagos currently holds the position of Africa's largest city, it is possible that other cities may challenge its status in the future. Kinshasa, the capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, for instance, is showing signs of rapid urbanization and population growth. With projections for Kinshasa's population to reach 20 million by 2030, it may emerge as a strong contender for the title of Africa's largest city. Lagos unquestionably reigns as the largest city in Africa based on its immense population, economic significance, and sprawling urban landscape. Its diverse demographic makeup, thriving economy, and extensive geographical reach differentiate it from other cities on the continent. While Lagos currently holds this title, the ever-changing dynamics of urban development leave room for potential challengers to emerge in the future. Nonetheless, Lagos' impact and presence as Africa's largest city are indisputable, making it an essential pillar of the continent's socio-economic fabric.